listen.
Like you. Let's keep this going. We can change
Sit right
it
here,
up
buddy.
if we want to. Keep it guessing, keep it guessing. Keep it guessing, keep it guessing. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's not hard to say how I feel. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now 'cause it's real. Hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
And well, hi everybody, how are you? We got a crew today. Yay, Layla and Lachlan are here. I want to say hi, and I want to apologize for, I don't know what happened last night. I went live, and because I was going to do a live show last night, and there was nobody in the chat, and it was very odd, and so I stopped the broadcast and then turned around and did a live show of one of the stories, and it posted. Doesn't look like one of the normal ones, but the other one that I had started just is gone. It disappeared. I have no idea. So I've decided that while I'm here in Phoenix, and with the uncertainty of how things are going, I'm just going to record and then put them out as a premiere for you guys, because then I know that they're there and I'm not having whatever issues I'm having with my live streams. So that's how that goes. So today we're getting ready to take off in a few minutes to go to jump at the trampoline park. Is that right? Yeah.
And it's free because Buddy just had his birthday.
Yeah, so Buddy got a thing for his birthday, so we're going to go there. Yes, he's 5. So, but in honor of that, we're going to have a story about one of our favorite bouncing characters. And I think you'll know who it is. It is our famous Skippy Jon Jones. And this time it's Skippy Jon in mummy trouble. And there we go. Yeah. Oh, Aldo just walked in and joined this with the whole thing too. So Skippy Jon Jones in Mummy Trouble by Judy Shockner.
Could you move your microphone so we can see you?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
There we go. They want to see, so I had to move the mic. All right. Yes, you can see by the illustrations you have the mummy trouble he's been drawing. Oh dear, what's up? And Skippy Jon Jones did his very best thinking outside of the box. And this twisted his mama's whiskers tighter than a Texas tornado. "Hey, you, Mr. McPoo," said Mama Junebug Jones. "Just what do you think you're doing?" McPoo didn't say boo. He was too busy reading.
McPoo.
"Hey, little digger, I'm talking to you," said Mama, scooping up her boy. "A pyramid outside the litter box will never, ever do." Then she saw his magazine. "National Leographic," mused Mama. "And the curse of the cat mummy? Why, this will give you nightmares, boy, with an upset tummy too, plus a puffy tail on the grandest scale. This story is taboo." But Skippy Jon Jones was in no mood to listen to his mama. So he skedaddled to his room for a really good bounce on his big boy bed. He bounced once, he bounced twice, and the third time he bounced, he said, "Oh, I'm Skippy Jon Jones, and I do love my mummy, but if I don't bounce, I get knots in my tummy." Then the kitty boy flipped over to the mirror for a look-see. "Holy smokito!" exclaimed Skippy Jon Jones. I know you, he said to the doggy in the mirror. Your ears are too big for your head. Your head is too big for your body. You are not a Siamese cat. Then, using his very best Spanish accent, he added, You are still the big Chihuahua, dude. The whole enchilada. And they just might like enchiladas in Egypt, thought Skippy. So Kitty Boy donned his mask and cape and began to sing in the muy soft voice. Oh, my name is Skippito Fresquito, and I'm off to see old Egyptito. My chicos insist, and I dare not resist the chance to go meet Mumamito. In the meantime, his little sisters, Jezebel, Jillyboo, and Jujubee, rolled into his room with a plan of their own. But the kitty boy was already deep inside his closet, on his way to ancient Egypt. And paddling down the river Nile, who should sail right past but a kooky crocodile? Hunkered down on his lumpy bumpy back were all his old amigos, the chimichangos pack. ¿A dónde vas? Called out Skippito. We're going to the undermundo, answered the chihuahuas. Not to the underwear, exclaimed Skippito. No, said the puchitos. You silly little beast, to the underworld, where momitos rest in peace. Peas? Exclaimed Skippito. Who wants to sleep in peas? We do, said the doggies. We hear they are to die for. You mean they are better than the frijoles? Asked Skippito. Sí, mucho mejor, señor, said Poquito Tito. Vámonos, said Skippito. What are we waiting for? But then Don Diego, the biggest of the small ones, spoke up. Hold your ponies, Pepito. To get to the undermundo, we first have to answer the riddle of the Sphinx. But I'm not good at riddles, said Skippito. No problema, said Poquito Tito. You have a muy big brain. Then they set forth from the Rio Nile to find the Sphinx. The muchachos began to sing, Skippy, Skippo, Skippito, we only have one chancerito to pass by the Sphinx, so don't be a jinx. Just answer the riddle, dumdito. The muchachos arrived at 4 o'clock sharp, but the Sphinx had been waiting forever. Don't let the gato get your tongue, dude, said Don Diego. What cat where? Asked Skippito. That cat there, said the perritos, pointing to the Sphinx. But before he could say anything, the great Sphinx spoke.
Whose ears are too big for his head? And who loves to go bounce on his bed? Who creeps on all fours through his own closet door, straight into the land of the dead?
Skippito knew the answer to this riddle, but he was so nervous he coughed up a little fur ball. You call that an answer, dude? Said Don Diego.
The answer, bellowed the Sphinx.
Oh, so with his permission, the perritos were free to pass on to the tomb of King Rootin' Tootin' Kitten Kabootin. When they finally reached the pyramid, the doggies burst into song and dance. Oh, see, oh, say, Osiris, our boy had a touch of the virus. He coughed up a ball, so the Sphinx made a call, and now it's inscribed on papyrus. But when the Skippito saw how dark it looked inside the pyramid, he began to feel queasy. My tummy hurts, he groaned, and my tail is getting puffy too. But his chicos would not comfort him. They just wanted their peas, por favor. Are you not El Skipito Frisquito, the great sword fighter? Asked Poquito Tito. Si, declared Skipito, that is me. Then do your duty, dog, commanded Don Diego. So Skipito drew in a big breath and dove into the darkness of the musty old tomb, chanting, Peace, por favor, peace, por favor, peace, por favor. And he rocketed through the vault like a fur-covered comet until suddenly, smackito! Skipito hit a wall and knocked himself out cold. Oh. Soon after, 3 goddesses emerged from the shadows to prepare this kitty boy for his journey to the Undermundo. First we shall salt and pepper him, said Ba, the first goddess, and sprinkle him with lucky charms, said Da, the second one. Then we wrap him and roll him and bundle him tight, said Bing, the third goddess, and blow him a kiss, say nighty-night. Then the trio rolled and wrapped the wrapped cat down the ramp into the king's burial chamber. Across the room stood the 4,000-year-old sarcophagus of King Rootin' Tootin' Kitten Kabootin'. And just as they were about to deliver El Skipito Momito, he rolled right into the feet of the oldie-moldy mummy.
Bada bing, moaned the king as he stretched out his paws. I need to rest in peace.
Peas! Screamed El Skipito Momito, waking up in a flash. And quicker than you could say mummies, mumps, and measles, he grabbed 2 potfuls of peas and hightailed it home. Oh. When Los Chimichangos saw El Skipito Momito come rolling out of the pyramid, they went into a real tailspin. Then all the doggies began to chant, Green chicharros hot, green chicharros cold. The best chicharros in the world are those that Skipito holds. But El Skipito Momito was too scared to slow down, so he chucked the peas at his chicos and kept right on running. Straight into the arms of his mummy. What's the matter, Fuzzy Bug? Asked Mama Junebug Jones. Skippy Jon Jones looked back over his shoulder to see if the 3 spirits were still chasing him. Bada bing, he wailed, dropping the last of the peas. Then 3 giggling goddesses raced into the room after Skipito with their puppets and a roll of toilet paper. We're going to wrap you and roll you and bundle you tight, they sang, and check you for cooties, then kiss you goodnight. That night, Skippy Jon Jones was bouncing on his big boy bed. No mummies in my closet, no mummies in my bed, no mummies in my bookcase, no mummies in my head. And just before he closed his eyes, the kitty boy checked his room one more time for mummies. And the only one he saw was his own. I love you, Mummy, said Skippy Jon Jones. I love you too, Bunny Boots, said Mama Junebug. Now go to sleep, por favor. And that's Skippy Jon Jones in mummy trouble. Oh my. I love one of my favorite pictures back here, besides the silly little goddesses, is this whole one with King Rootin' Tootin' Kitten Kabootin', with all the references to in the background there to the.
I like this one too.
You like that one too? Yay! Lachlan says he likes that one too. And this one, this is the one Layla likes. When you look inside the tomb there, you see all the Egyptian hieroglyphs. That pretty good references that she does on this. Judy does on this. It always sparks a lot of conversation with the kids when I read them about the different things.
It's also funny because he just rolled up in toilet paper.
Yes, it is, because he's rolled up in toilet paper. Yes, very funny. So that is today's story of Skippy Jon Jones, and here we go. I'll set it as a premiere for you guys about the time that the premiere is going off I'm going to be at swimming with this little guy. He's got swimming lessons tonight. And he's quite a swimmer.
Are we still going?
We're still going to the jumping park. Don't
Are
worry.
we going to the jumping park first?
Oh, yes. We're going to the jumping park first. Yay. So, anyway, you guys, everybody, thank you so much for being here. And thank you for coming to Story and Art and always spending your time with me. And enjoy Skippy. And until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around, but you know where to find it first is by looking in the mirror. And I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Come over. Come here.
In the heat of the night,
There you go.
get lost in all the lights and sounds. Feel alright. We won't go home. We will just stay here downtown. There's not just stars on the boulevard.
What are you gonna
There in the light in your eyes. Oh, we don't need no black cards. I just need you by my side. We could be shameless, famous, running cool, with a love that leaves us weightless. Ooh, drop dead gorgeous, wow.
I like the one that